Hello everyone, welcome to Bright English Point. Today, we are going to talk about a very famous and inspiring woman, Oprah Winfrey. She is a true example of how anyone, no matter their background, can become successful through hard work, passion, and determination. Oprah Winfrey was born on January 29, 1954, in Mississippi, USA. Her childhood was very difficult. She was born into poverty and raised by her grandmother in a small town. Oprah's mother worked many jobs, and Oprah often had to live apart from her. Despite these challenges, Oprah showed an early love for learning and a desire to improve her life. Her grandmother, who cared for her, taught her to read and encouraged her love of books. Oprah once said that books became her best friends during her childhood, helping her to escape her difficult situation. Oprah's life was not easy. She faced many obstacles, including living in difficult conditions and experiencing emotional and physical abuse. These challenges were difficult for her, but they didn't stop her from dreaming. Oprah found strength in education and believed that by learning, she could change her life. She loved speaking in public and took every chance she got to participate in school activities. This love for speaking and communicating later helped her build a successful career in television. When Oprah was 19, she moved to Nashville to study communication at Tennessee State University. At this time, she started working at a local radio station. Oprah's big break came when she started working for a local TV station. Her natural talent for talking and connecting with people quickly became clear. Oprah was not just another TV host. She brought a unique touch to her interviews, making people feel comfortable and open. Soon, she was offered her own talk show. In 1986, The Oprah Winfrey Show debuted, and it became one of the most successful talk shows in history. The show was different from other talk shows because Oprah did not just ask celebrity guests about their latest projects. She made sure to dig deeper, asking questions that revealed personal stories, struggles, and life lessons. Oprah's style of interviewing was kind, compassionate, and empathetic. She wanted to make her guests feel heard and understood, which made her show stand out from others. The Oprah Winfrey Show was broadcasted for 25 years, from 1986 to 2011, and during that time, Oprah became one of the most famous women in the world. She interviewed countless celebrities, politicians, authors, and ordinary people who had extraordinary stories. Oprah's show inspired millions of people around the world. She tackled tough issues such as racism, poverty, and health, giving a voice to those who needed it the most. Oprah was also known for her book club. Every month, Oprah would choose a book to discuss on her show, and these books became bestsellers. Her book club made a huge impact on the world of literature, as people trusted her opinions on books and were excited to read what she recommended. Oprah has written several books as well, including her autobiography, The Life You Want. In her writing, she shares the struggles she faced and how she found success through perseverance and believing in herself. While Oprah was achieving great success on television, she was also becoming a powerful businesswoman. She created Harpo Productions, her own production company, which allowed her to have control over her shows and projects. Harpo Productions has produced films, TV shows, and even made Oprah a part owner of the Oprah Winfrey Network, a TV network she founded. Oprah used her success to build an empire, but she never lost sight of what was truly important: helping others. Apart from her television career and business success, Oprah is also known for her philanthropy. She has given away millions of dollars to charity and causes she believes in. One of Oprah's most well-known charitable efforts is the Oprah Winfrey Foundation. This foundation focuses on education, poverty alleviation, and helping women and children. Oprah is particularly passionate about education. She believes that education is the key to changing lives and lifting people out of poverty. In 2007, Oprah opened the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy for girls in South Africa. This school provides a chance for girls from poor families to get a quality education and change their futures. Oprah's goal is to give these young women the tools they need to become leaders and succeed in life, no matter where they come from. Oprah's story is not only about success but also about overcoming difficulties. She faced many challenges throughout her life, but she never gave up. She was sexually abused as a child, faced rejection in her career, and dealt with many personal struggles. Despite all of this, Oprah continued to work hard and believe in herself. Her story is a powerful reminder that no matter what hardships we face, we have the power to create the life we want. Today, Oprah is not just a TV host or a businesswoman. She is a global icon and a role model for millions of people. She has built a legacy of kindness, compassion, and hard work. Oprah's advice to others is simple: believe in yourself, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. She is proof that with determination and the right mindset, anything is possible. In 2013, Oprah was named one of the richest women in the world, but she has always used her wealth to help others. Whether it's through her charitable foundation, her school for girls, or her work in the media, Oprah continues to make a positive impact on the world. She has shown us that success is not just about money, but about using what we have to make the world a better place. Oprah's journey was not easy, and she did not reach success overnight. She worked tirelessly, faced many setbacks, and stayed focused on her goals. She experienced times of doubt, loneliness, and failure, but each time, she got back up. Oprah's resilience is one of the key factors that has contributed to her success. She teaches us that success is not about avoiding failure, but about learning from our mistakes and never giving up. One of the most powerful aspects of Oprah's story is how she turned her pain into power. She has shared openly about her childhood abuse, the struggles she faced with body image, and her battles with self-doubt. Oprah's ability to turn her pain into a source of strength is a lesson for us all. She shows us that it's okay to struggle, but what matters most is how we rise from our struggles and move forward. Oprah's influence also extends beyond television. She has become a trusted voice in the world of self-help and motivation. Many people turn to Oprah for advice on how to live a more fulfilled and meaningful life. She has interviewed some of the most successful and influential people in the world, including Barack Obama, Maya Angelou, and Nelson Mandela. Through these interviews, Oprah has shared important lessons on leadership, love, and personal growth. Her influence is not just in the world of media but in the way she inspires people to live with purpose. Oprah's life encourages us to live authentically, pursue our passions, and never settle for less than we deserve. She inspires us to not only chase our dreams but also to help others along the way. Oprah has shown that true success is not just about personal achievements, but also about making a difference in the lives of others. Oprah has also been an example of how to handle fame and wealth with grace. While many people in the spotlight lose themselves to fame or wealth, Oprah has remained grounded. She has always been true to her values and never let success change who she is as a person. She is kind, humble, and generous, which is why so many people admire her. Oprah shows us that while it's great to achieve success, what's even more important is staying true to your values and using your success to improve the lives of others. Throughout her life, Oprah has faced criticism, doubts, and obstacles, but she has used each of those challenges to grow stronger and more determined. Her story proves that we all have the ability to overcome difficulties if we have the right mindset and attitude. Oprah has also taught us the importance of self-care. She understands that to help others, we must first take care of ourselves. Oprah encourages us to prioritize our health, mental well-being, and emotional needs, as only then can we truly be of service to others. Oprah's ability to connect with people, both on and off the screen, has been one of her greatest strengths. She has a unique ability to make people feel seen and heard. This ability to connect with people on a personal level has made her one of the most beloved figures in the world. Whether she is talking to a world leader or an everyday person, Oprah makes everyone feel important. This is one of the reasons why people trust her and why her impact has been so powerful. Oprah's story also teaches us the value of resilience and the importance of not giving up. Throughout her life, Oprah faced rejection and criticism, yet she always kept going. She never allowed others' opinions to define her. Instead, she used those experiences as motivation to continue on her journey. Her resilience has been a key part of her success, and it is something that we can all learn from. Oprah's journey teaches us that no matter what happens, we should never give up on our dreams. Oprah Winfrey is not just a media mogul or a philanthropist. She is a symbol of strength, perseverance, and compassion. Her life story is an inspiration to millions around the world. She has shown us that no matter where we start, we have the power to shape our own destinies. Oprah's legacy will continue for generations, reminding us all to dream big, work hard, and make the world a better place for everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new about Oprah Winfrey today. She truly is an inspiring woman, and her life story reminds us that we can all achieve great things. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Bright English Point, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep believing in yourself and never stop chasing your dreams.